Have you ever seen those videos on YouTube or TikTok where they have the super snappy and professional feel? Well, it's not as hard as you think. So today I'll be showing you guys how to get that same effect in Final Cut Pro X in only 5 minutes. So 3, 2, 1, let's at it. Welcome everyone. If you're new here, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's free and it helps out the channel a ton. Now to the video. First, you need to make your library. If you already did this, then go to this time in the video. First of all, go to File, New, Library. Name it whatever you want. Then go to File, New, Project. Make it vertical. And again, name it whatever you want. And hit OK. So the most important part to making these types of videos is the way you cut them. So here you can just see me grabbing something random from my fridge. So here you just want to make fast cuts after each action. If you're a little confused, here are a few examples from Albert Can Cook. And Dental Digest. Yeet! So you can see the style in those videos. Now let's try to replicate it. So after I say let's find something to eat, let's cut it about right here pretty fast and then delete the rest. So now let's just cut after each action. So when I open it, like right here, make another cut. So you just want it to be quick, snappy actions. So right here where I rip it open, so right here, and just keep doing that same process. So right here when I say let's get eating, right here when I start eating it, let's cut after each crunch. So you can see right here, right here. So again, that same process, just keep making fast cuts. I definitely wasn't struggling to open the water right there. Let's speed up this part by going right here, fast, and then let's do 4. So once you're done with all the cuts, it should look something like this. Let's find something to eat. Let's get eating. My mouth's a little dry, so let's open the water. So the next thing that really sets these types of videos apart is the music. Now, if you have a hard time looking for this, definitely check out this video on my channel. Now let's find a cool song for this. And now let's add some sound effects as well. Let's add in a pop. So that's it, pretty simple. Finally, the last thing you need for this is some captions and a nice quick color grade. To start adding captions, just click Ctrl T and that will make a simple text layer. Now just enter what you're saying and choose your font and color. The font I'm using here is called Heroes Legend. What I like doing is choosing a solid color and then choosing a darker version of that color as an outline. It looks pretty nice like that. Now position it somewhere about right there. Let's scale it up a little bit. And if it's too big, just scale this down a little bit. And then once you're done, click the end of your text layer, go to the transitions panel, search slide, double click that, and finally click slide out and then done. And you can do the same for the first one. But instead, click slide in and then up. That now looks a lot better. Okay, once you're done with that, you can add a color grade. To do this, you can add an adjustment layer, which you can just download one online. Go to this tab right here. The main tab that we're going to be working with is a saturation. I have my own color grader here that I could put on, but this is a basics that you want to add. You will want to put up all the saturation bars a little high, and if it's a little too much, you can just lower them down. So get something like this, so you can see without and with the color grading. So now if you're done, it should look like this. Let's find something to eat. Let's get eating. My mouth's a little dry, so let's open the water. That will do it for today's video. If you learned something today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to watch my videos first and to support the channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.